YouTubers! I've got a new DIY project today. So I'm coming to you from my craft room. My craft room I'm still not moved into my craft room yet, but it's kind of a work in progress right now. But I do have this one wall right here behind me that I didn't know what to do with, and so I couldn't find a picture for it or a frame for it. It's a big, huge blank wall. So I decided to put some of that wall art, vinyl wall art on it, and it's an adhesive, and I like it because it's cutesy, and if I get tired of it, I can peel it off and it won't hurt the paint or anything underneath it. So today I'm going to do another vinyl wall art, but this time in my laundry room. So I will meet you in my laundry room. Bye. Okay guys, I'm in the laundry room now, and this is the room that I want to put the wall art on. And it says laundry today or naked tomorrow, and it comes in a tube like this, and it's wall art. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I think it was like 20 bucks. But I like it because, like I said, if I get tired of it or if I find something else that's kind of cutesy, I can take it off. It's not going to ruin the paint or the wall. And so this is the wall that I want to do. If you can tell, I got tall ceilings. So an empty wall looks really, really bare. This wall is kind of like a bluish, grayish color. And there's my laundry room, my washer and dryer. And then right there, I've got my laundry pods and then some fabric softener. And then in that little gray bucket, I have lost socks. And then I've got the wall art that I'm going to start working on. So let me show you what it looks like. So when you open this tube thing, it looks like this. It comes in one sheet, which I was kind of hoping it would be already cut for me, but it's not. And I want it to look just like that, laundry today or naked tomorrow, which I think is really kind of cool. Oh, and I forgot the measuring tape. Darn it. Okay, I'll have to go there. So anyway, so I'm going to cut this up real quick. I got my fancy little bling bling scissors. I'm going to cut this. And I showed this to my husband. Well, I showed him what I did in my craft room, and he really liked it, which I was really kind of surprised. I didn't think he would like it. But so then he asked me, he goes, when are you going to do the one in the laundry room? I'm like, well, okay, I guess I'll do it sooner than later. So, and I thought that would be a good DIY to do. So here we go. And you know what? I need a measuring tape. And of course I don't have one. So let me run and get one. I'll be right back. Okay, hi, I'm back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut up that one sheet. So I could easily put it up on the wall. It's all cut. I did measure the wall that I want to do, and the middle of the wall is 27 inches. I'm not too close. 27 inches. I was kind of hoping I had a pencil so I could mark the wall, but I couldn't find a pencil, so I'm going to have to kind of wing this. So anyway, I'm going to get up there and start putting this thing on there. Let me get my, sorry guys, I'm not as organized as I should be. I'm new to this, like I said, so bear with me. So I measured 27 inches, was about the middle. So I'm going to start right around here. I just kind of have to wing this since I don't have a pencil to mark it with. So you take off the backing. Be careful you don't blow all the letters with you. 27 inches like that around here. And I was kind of hoping the letters were bigger, but as you can tell, they're not. So just kind of start rubbing it. And I hope to God that is straight. Because if it's not, I'm really going to be in big trouble. Hopefully that's those things, leather things to check. I can tell it's not sticking, especially at the thin part. It's It's really not sticking, so let's see, keep going. There we go, now I can tell it's sticking on there. Okay, I'm gonna peel off. Just real gentle to do with this thing there. And if it starts to come with you, you just kind of have to, there we go. Push it back in, work it off, slowly, slowly, slowly. Yay! Oh. Try this one. Come on. Got it. Yay! So there's part of it, laundry. And I'm hoping that's straight. I think it is. And I'm going to do the rest, and I'll show you the finished product. Thank you, guys. See you in a little bit. Okay, I am all done. It took me about, maybe 5 minutes to do it. I did have problems with it today, and you can tell a little bit on the T and the O. It's kind of a little messed up. It didn't want to, it was sticking to the sheet, and it didn't want to come off. But it's done now. It doesn't look too bad. I was kind of hoping the letters would be bigger because it's such, like I said, it's such a tall wall that I need something to kind of, you know, take care of that bald spot. But I think it looks cute for now. And like I said, if I don't like it or I get tired of it, I can always peel it off. So anyway, it wasn't hard at all. I will tell you that when I got to these real thin lines, those I really had to rub on because they were sticking to these papers. So to get it on the wall, I really had to do like extra rubbing on there. But overall, I think it came out okay. My little laundry room has some wording now, so it doesn't look so bare. So anyway, that is just a little DIY that I wanted to do for you guys. I've been hanging on to this project for a while because I didn't, I wanted to be able to record it. The one in my craft dream came out really good. And that one was not hard at all. Because I guess because the letters are bigger and thicker and bolder. These are a little bit more fine. But anyway, so anyway, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. God bless.